Okay, the next part of the notes, this is what you're going to see on the assignment here. Again, worksheet D, coterminal angles. Okay, let's write the directions. It's going to say state if the given angles are coterminal. Here we go. State if the given angles are coterminal. So they're going to give you two angles, and you got to show, and you can't just put yes or no. You got to prove and show and draw it out. And show yes, they're coterminal, no, they're not. Okay, number one. It's going to give you two angle measures. It's going to be one like this with a comma and then another angle. Okay, how would you show if these are coterminal? Well, you're going to draw them out. Here's the XY axis. Let's draw the positive 290 degree here. Positive 290 degrees. Okay, so drawing 290 degrees starting from here. We're going to go 0, 90, 180, 270. Right? This is 90 to here. This is another 90, that's 180. Another 90, that's 270. And I have to go 290, so draw 20 more degrees in, right? This is a positive 290 degrees. And if this is 20, like I've had you practice before, if this is 20 degrees more, right? 270 plus 20 is 290. Okay, this is the terminal side for 290 degrees, so it's right there. Make sure you draw it correctly. Now, what does that make this side? Well, if this is 20 and this is a right angle, right? They're complementary angles. They add up to 90. If this is 20, this one has to be 70. And then look here. If I have to draw a negative 70 degree angle, well, I would start here, and I would go right there. And it would be what? Sharing and having the same terminal side, negative 70 and a positive 290. They end in the same place. They have the same terminal side. So state if the given angles are coterminal. Well, the work is here, you're drawing, and they do have the same terminal side, so yes, coterminal angles. Yes, these are coterminal angles. All right, so you have to draw it out and show if it is, and if it isn't, you got to show that as well. Number two. How about 150 and negative 640. Oh, we got to draw it out so we can see it if the terminal side, if they share the same terminal side. So drawing it out, an XY axis. Let's draw the 150 degree first. We start here always, right? This is where we always draw angles in standard position right here. Starts here. 150 would be 90 plus what? 90 plus 60. So 60 more. From here, this is 90 plus this 60 more. This is the terminal side for 150 degrees. And just so that I get this angle over here, this is 60, this one's 30, right? But we're looking at this terminal side. Okay, we got to sketch now the negative 640. Well, negative angles, they start here, but they are drawn clockwise, right? So I'm gonna have to go, 640 is more than 320, so that's already one time around. So this is 0, and I'm back at 320. 320 plus 90 more is, I'm sorry, not 320, 360. What am I talking about? 360 plus 90 is 450. I gotta keep going, right? 90 more is 540. 90 more is 630. Oh yeah, we're going this way, so it's negative, negative, negative. 540 plus 90 more is 630. Long story short, negative 640 would have to be like over here, right? 10 more degrees. Are these two terminal sides exactly stopping and resting in the same exact location? No. See, this is not, these are not coterminal angles. Not coterminal angles. Okay, last one more, number 3. Okay, how about (215 degrees and negative 505? Are those coterminal angles? Well, sketch them out. Let's do 215 in blue here, so I'll start here. That's 90, that's 180. That's 270, that's too much, so 180. 215 take away 180 is 45. Let me see, 180 plus 45 is... Oh no, that's 225, so it's 35. 35 degrees more. 180 plus 35, so this right here, this terminal side is 215. All right, let's see if I now draw negative 505. That would be negative 360. I go around once. I'm at 0, but I'm back at negative 360. Plus 90 is negative 450 up to here. And, well, remember I told you to get these two angles. If this is 35, this one would be 55. And if you go negative 450, which I'm here, plus this 55, does it give me exactly to there? 450 plus 55 more. Does that give you 505? Yes, it does. So they do share this same what? Terminal side. They do land and stop right there on the same place. So yes, these are coterminal. Okay, so literally you just have to sketch them out and see if the terminals, if they stop and land exactly in the same place. They co-terminate. They terminate in the exact same location. They are coterminal angles. All right, that's for the first set of the problems. All right, good luck with that. And then the next video is going to show how to do the other set of problems.